Hey, what's going on? This is Alexander Velitchko of Triple H in Digital Media. And welcome back to another edition of 1 Minute Tips, little strategies to make you smarter about digital marketing every day. Do you know that you have gaping holes in your social media branding strategy? They could be flat out inviting people to write negative comments or unfounded comments about you online, and because you haven't claimed those social media spaces yet, they're going to float to the top of Google search results. That's what I do. Social media branding is my flesh and blood. And when you contact me, I'm going to send you an audit of over 300 of the most authoritative social media and branding websites around. You'll see right away which ones you're not on, and chances are you're not going to be on a lot of them. Maybe you're going to be missing out on 10, 100, 200, whatever. And as a service, I can build out for you all those missing social media profiles, help you claim those missing spots, and build out those profiles to the fullest extent possible. Now, you got two choices. Number one, I build out those profiles for you all at once. And number two, I spread out, kind of like drip out all of those social profiles and branding sites over a period of several months, and I just take that stuff as it comes. So next time, if someone ever wants to make a negative comment about you online, that rock-solid fortress of social media defense that I've built for you is going to bounce away those comments from the top 10 Google search results, which you will now be dominating, and you don't have to worry about your customers seeing a thing. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like it, comment, share with anybody you know could benefit from this information. And please hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned and get even more 1 minute tips where I'll go even deeper with more insights about little strategies to make you smarter about digital marketing every day. And I've got lots of cool stuff on my business website, so I got a link down in the description, so check it out. All right? Thanks so much for watching. I'm certain you found this little tidbit useful. Thanks again.